Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find food as a herbivore in the aisle. Finding the right plants helps you grow faster and survive longer. First, activate your scent ability by holding Q. Look for this symbol. This is called a sanctuary. This area provides safe and easy food for herbivores and omnivores. Each herbivore has specific food types it benefits from. Check your diet tab to see which nutrients you need. Completing your diet boosts growth speed and recovery. Avoid dense areas where predators can easily ambush you. Remember, your goal as a herbivore is to survive, not to hunt. Once you grow, you can head to patrol zones and migration zones. These are the icons you should look out for. Keep repeating this process until you reach adulthood. The way you look for food will stay the same, but as an adult, you will start competing with other fully grown dinosaurs. And that's how to find food as a herbivore in the aisle. Thank you so much for watching.